Mastering polite requests. Can you repeat that? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common and incredibly useful phrase. Can you repeat that? Understanding this phrase and knowing how to use it effectively can significantly improve your communication skills. So, let's get started and find out why this simple question is a powerful tool in everyday conversations. Can you repeat that? Is a polite request used when you haven't understood something that was said? It's a way of asking someone to say something again because you need clarification or because you didn't hear or comprehend the information the first time. This phrase is essential for learners because it helps to ensure that you fully understand what's being communicated, preventing misunderstandings. This phrase is particularly important for several reasons. First, it demonstrates that you are actively listening and engaged in the conversation. Second, it shows respect for the speaker by making an effort to understand their message completely. Lastly, it helps you to avoid confusion and to gather all the necessary information you need to respond appropriately. When you ask someone to repeat something, it's crucial to do so politely to maintain a positive interaction. Here are a few tips. Speak clearly and kindly. Ensure your request comes across as a polite question, not a demand. Use non-verbal cues. Smile or nod to show that you're asking for repetition because you're interested in what's being said. Thank them. After they've repeated themselves, it's polite to thank the person for taking the time to clarify. Sometimes, you might want to use different phrases to keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Here are some alternatives. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Pardon me, could you please repeat that? Would you mind speaking a little slower, please? Could you explain that one more time? These variations serve the same purpose but add a bit of variety to your language use. There you have it. Can you repeat that? Is more than just a question. It's a key phrase that enhances communication and shows your dedication to understanding and being understood. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases will make them a natural part of your vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.